Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to make a ticket about an issue or something similar like a bug in Jira. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. It is fairly easy to do and very simple, so I have no doubts you'll be able to do it yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is after entering Jira, you'll be greeted by this main page here, your dashboard about Jira. You want to go to the project where you want to create an issue about or your ticket. So let's say we found the project where we want to create it. So as you can see, I have now entered my project and this is the main page we are greeted by. So to create a ticket guys, all you have to do guys is go up here in the upper part of the page, and you will see this blue button called create. So you want to go ahead and click on create, and this will open up this prompt, this window where you will be able to create an issue. As you can see, create an issue. You want to create a ticket. Here you can select what you want to report. We have already selected bug. If you have not selected bug, then just go ahead and click on bug. Click the project where you want to create a bug for. Summary, type in what's happening. Let's say users can't book the date. Let's say we are making something about users needing to book some date. And go ahead and make the description of bug. Users can't click on booking. Type in your issue, type in the priority, high, low, highest, medium, whatever importance it is. Fill out all the other parts here, and then after doing that, just go ahead and click create, and now there will be an issue. There has been a ticket that you made that you will be able to get people to see. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.